In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a new folder in Zoho WorkDrive. First, make sure you're logged into your Zoho WorkDrive account in your web browser. Once you're on the main WorkDrive page, look for the section called My Folders. This is your personal space where you can store and organize your files and folders, separate from any shared team folders. If you don't see it immediately, check the left-hand side panel or the main navigation area, depending on your layout. Go ahead and click on My Folders. When you do this, the main area of the screen should update to show all the folders and files currently stored in your personal space. This is where you'll be creating your new folder, so take a moment to make sure you're in the right place before continuing. If you're managing a lot of content, it helps to think ahead about where this new folder should live so everything stays organized. Now, look for the New button. This is usually located near the top left or top center of the page. The New button is what you'll use anytime you want to create something in WorkDrive, whether that's a folder, a document, or another type of file. Click on New, and a small drop-down menu or panel will appear with a list of options. From that list, select Folder. Choosing Folder tells WorkDrive that you want to create a new container to hold your files. As soon as you click it, a dialog box or small pop-up field will appear, prompting you to enter a name. In the name field, type the folder name you want to use. Try to pick something clear and descriptive so you can easily recognize it later. For example, you might include a project name, a date, or a department name. Avoid using special characters that might not be supported, and think about a consistent naming style if you plan to create multiple folders. Once you've typed in the folder name and you're happy with it, click on the Create button. WorkDrive will now create the folder in your current location within My Folders. You should see your new folder appear in the list almost immediately, ready for you to open and start adding files. And that's